real quick pot sticker recipe for you here. Boil your pot stickers until they float. Drain them in a strainer. Let them air dry. In a large wok, I've got some olive oil, sesame oil, garlic, onion, okay, once they've gotten a little brown like this, I'll be adding just a few drops of soy sauce. A little bit of oyster sauce. Five spice. These are the wild chives that I found. Watch the previous video on that. Just going to give them a little chop. Save a few of these like this. Chop the rest up. Okay. Onion. Wild chives. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. That's going to be good. Like this. And cut them off. Look at that. These can be used for a lot of different things. Pot stickers, stir fry, all different Asian foods. These are going to be really, really good. That's the video. Free chef recipes at chefdepot.com. Visit the sponsor. You can get that. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.